Hi friends, this is Anam Kavijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Affairs for analyzing the major pairs as well as minus, copper, crude, gold, silver, US30, Bitcoin. Before we get into this week analysis using Elliott wave theory, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here, and this is only for educational purpose. So let's this is a one what we are doing that regular our watch list starts from DXY and end with gold. So now DXY keep declining here, and as we discussed in the last week, sorry for that all drawings, I didn't erase all those things what we discussed in the last week. So here I explained one more 5 structures and it already did. So 1 2 3 4 5. After that, what I explained, whether from here it is going to shoot, because this could be the end of the trend, or what else, this could be the diagonal ones, the ending diagonal. So that means the fifth way can be 1 2 3 4 5. So what we kept here, it's ABC is a ABC is a B, C is only the 5 structure. So here I will show you, hide this one. So this is the one, it's A, this is the one is B, and C connects. And I already explained here whether we are going to, this is the A, this is the B, and this could be the C, means no need to break this previous low. So it's already broken the previous low, this low. So what we have to do, so this could be the A, this could be the B, and C contains of 5 structures. So this is the 1, this is the 2, and the 3 is the 5 structure. So 1 2 3 is already completed, and 4 is already completed, and the fifth wave 1 2 3, and still we are in the fourth wave. It could be the ending diagonal also, what I have explained here, 1 2 3 4 and 5, like that. This is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, and one more consolidation zone can happen. After that, one more low to 103.8, and then it start to shoot. So this was my analysis for this week. But if you look, hide this all the drawings, and as I said the previous 3 weeks before itself, if this could be the end of the trend, we are in the downtrend of this whole. So this is the one, it's ABC is a ABC is a B, ABC is a C. So this is the W, X, Y, X and Z. This is the end of the trend also. But I thought the intermediate wave of the C is not yet completed, so I thought one more high is possible, but it's declining so much. So I had a doubt also. That is why I already explained the 3 weeks before itself. If this could be the end of the trend, we are in the downtrend. But I correlated to the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. It's not yet broken the previous low, the COVID low, but in Euro USD, GBP USD, it's already dead. In DXY, it's already dead. So correlated to that, and the DXY, sorry, the silver and the gold, if we correlated to that, I thought there is a one more way high in DXY to break the previous high it made of 114.9 something. So if this is possible for the fourth wave, there is a chance. There is a chance. So if sorry, so I already drawn this one, this channel, and we are there only. Here, one second, I will zoom this channel, and we are in the out of this channel. So I thought this could took that as a support here, and we are there. So either it could be doing like this, and I already projected that This could be retested this also. And this kind of channel, it's already, if it breaks this one also, again there is a chances for making one more high. So a lot of times, and I already shown in the Euro USD, I'll show you here. Previous already we did like this. What happened in this case? Here it is not yet broken the previous high. Here so what is that thing here? It's a fake breakout, what we call a lot of people's, right? So this is not only, this is a tool. We have to use all that what we know that tools are apart from that divergency or stochastic. It's all the tools we have to make as a tools, and we have to trade as a tools. It's not that major ones. The major theory is, for me, is Elliott wave. Even though if it broke and retested and didn't make a high also, it didn't break this previous high. So that is what, this is my invalidation point, what I explained in the previous COVID, right? COVID low in the DXY and COVID high in the Euro USD. So this is the one invalidation point for me. So WX, A, B and C. So for me, it's looked like still in the downtrend. Still in the downtrend. This, and I already informed that in the last every videos, this could be the trap for the retail traders. And where we are, look at this, where we are, the same thing in DXY, where we are here, the previous high. So the thing here, everybody knows the previous high will retest it as a support, and then again it may be bounce. So either, see, either this could be the X, so it could be the 1, this could be the 2, so this could be the 3, and one more 4 and 5 also. Then this will become the diagonal part. So this will become A, this will become the B, and this will become the C. So ABC, so ABC. So there's a lot of options is there. ABC, ABC, and this could be the ABC. So whatever we can calculate, or we putting in the A, B, C, W, X, Y, the pattern remains same. For me, it's a bullish. So I explained well. I already short in Euro USD, and I already informed that in that all that social medias. Look at this, will reach 1.0530. Look at this, or already completed before. So wait for this, wait for this. So if we make it this, as say, I already shorted the market, you know very well, and all that euro, sorry, AUD and New Zealand dollar, it's keep shooting high. And if you know very well about the in the past 15 videos before, I think so, market, if we shorted the market, it won't immediately come to the downside. It will again hit, if wherever if you place a stop loss, it will hit your stop loss and come down. And if you are in the buy, market won't immediately do to the north side. It will go deep south, and it will shake your analysis, and then it begins to reach your target. So this is what, in my experiences of 7 to 8 years, what I am using this Elliott wave as a positional trader, I observe this and I analyze all those things. So this is in my experience. It may be wrong also for any other strategy. So far, I'm expecting only the downside. and it is not looking like that five-way structure here. It's a correction structure, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So whether this is the end of, look at this here, it looks like a little bit shaking. So either this is the, I'm sorry, one second, this is the 1 2 3, so 4 and 5. And if you look in the intermediate 1 2 3 4 and 5, and here if you can ask, it's already retouched the, it's a retouched that wave 1 and wave 4, so it won't be a merge. So as per the Elliott wave theory, it is not a, so it means in that C wave it can do anything until it breaks this one. So then we can make it this as a 1 2 3 4 5. So only the thing is, if the wave 1 is bigger, wave 3 must be that shorter of that wave 1, and wave 5 also shorter than the wave 3. So then only that is valid for that. So wait for this to complete. For my analysis, I'm still strict to bearish. But one thing here you need to observe this, I didn't catch all those things, that wave counts here what I did. As per this 1 2 3 4 and 5, see last time also, yesterday also, I thought whether this is the A B C D E and whether this is the 3 4 5 is completed, we are still in this wave 1, or this is the one. See, if you keep on watching this, the previous past thing here it's looking like, one second, so whether this is a 1 2 3 4 and 5, here it's a, we will change this one as a 1 2 3 4 and 5, and for this 1 2 3 4 and again one more 5, and after this 1 2 3 4 and 5, so it's keep declining only, and I'm not able to mark this wave count completely. So the only the structure says for me, it's still we are in the downtrend. So let's move on to the GBP USD. So everything remains same, and here also it looks like 1 2 3 4 5. So whether this is the one more high is already did, and this is not the first time it is doing like this. We already here it already did the same thing. So even though if it is in the V, it looks like a V reversal, I'm not going to take this as a buy side. Still for me it looks like one more low is possible, but in this one GBP USD, it's already reached my target. As I said, DXY, Euro, USD, everything it is reached my target. It's already broken the previous low also here. So this is valid for that. The correction it's already completed in the GBP USD here. It's already did, or I need one more intermediate wave to be one more low is also possible. But here it's everything, it's look like that three-way structures. And one second, here whether this is the one it's A, this is the one is B, and this whole thing is a C, or it's one more low is also possible. This is, I'm not so sure about this one, GBP USD. So in Euro USD DXY, it seems like one more high. So it's very confusing for that Elliott wave analysis as for me, only for, not value traders, it's only for me. So this is my conclusion. It seems one more high is possible, but if you a little bit there also here, it's a short fall, right? And I already informed that I'm looking for the 3 months bigger correction also, and it is already did, and it's already doing. So wait for that to complete here. And one more thing, I need to show the example, but I already, yeah, it's I forgot on that. So if anything it's interesting, I will keep updating. So let's move on to the USD CAD. Look at this. It's already getting rejected in this channel. It's a trend line. So one more high and one more down is also possible, and it is in that correction part. It is in the correction part. It is in that correction part. So whether it is doing one more connecting wave and one more high is also possible, as I explained in the last video. Everything remains same, whether we are in this one more high, or this could be the 1 2 3 4 and we are one more 5 is also possible. So here, whether we are in the bigger consolidation zone and it is not yet here, what we kept this as a 1, and it is not yet reached the wave 1 high. Here it's a wave second is a expanded flat, and 3 is already completed. We are on the 4th wave. So whether this is the 4th wave, or this could be that WX, this is the Y is already completed. Beyond that Z wave, one more high is also possible. So everything seems like uh, somewhat. Here also I need to explain in the another chart. One second, I will show you in the another chart. Yeah, let's try. There is no drawing here. So look at this. If you did like this, we are in the downtrend, right? It is already retested, broken, but even though it is not sustained there, and immediately came down. So what is happening here? Again declining. So what I'm expecting every time, and it is not yet broken the previous high. So here also, if we mark this one, only if it breaks this one, then it will continue to the next correction part will happen here. And it is, so mind this, it's already broken the previous low. So one set of correction it's already completed. For this, whether we can make it this as a 5-way structure, A, so this is the B, and C is already dead. So this is the W. So this is could be the intermediate wave W. This is the bigger W, this is the smaller W, and this is the connecting wave. And one more ABC to break this low. So then WXY. After that, one more high is also possible. It's very simple to make analysis in the weekly. But what we have to do, we need to make money. It's not only for the analyzing. I'm still struggling in that Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar from the past week. So what kind of the pattern it is market is doing, we have to observe this. So either it is going to break to the still for the continue, or one more high. This is the one we need to watch. Either this is the one more wave high is also possible, right? Here look at this, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here also it seems like the same pattern it's did here, and I already explained that 1 3 5, and later this it did like this. Here also it did like this, one more high it's already did. So one more high it's already did, and we are in the connection part. This is the connection part what I'm expecting. One more high, so one more high I'm expecting. It is not yet going to break the high. If it breaks the high also, what I can expect, again it is not looking like an impulsive wave, so I can expect this one. So at that time this become the W, this is the X, this is the Y, so that this wave, so for this, these are all the correction part and one more high. So until if it breaks the high, there is a possibility to break this low. If it is not yet broken, if it's already broke the high, there is a lot of chances for making the irregular flat and no need to break this low, and immediately it will shoot from here also. The same thing what I expected in the Nifty, the same it is doing the same. We already uh, analyzed that one last week. I explained that if it breaks the previous high of 18,560, there is a chances for making the 19,200, and then I'm expecting the downtrend. So let's wait for that. So let's move on to the USD JPY now. So USD JPY, we are in that same channel, and we are a little bit, it looks like, I'll show you, and very eagerly to bought this one, but I already did an Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, everything, so I'm not going to take this one again. All the dollar pairs, this is the one, this is the two, or this could be the triangle, whatever you can make it this, and this is the connecting wave, one more A, B and C. So still if we are in the downtrend, one more high and one more low if it is a downtrend. So this is the one, is ABC is a A, ABC is a B and C. So this is the W, this is the X, this is the Y, and if this is the end of the trend, we need to see like this. But if it is again making this one, it could be the another X, another connecting wave, and this is the one of the Z. So if this completed, I'm expecting this one. So you need to look for the previous analysis where we are. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the one I'm expecting. So USD CHF. Look at this. One, two, either this is the, it's look like a five-way structure, three-way structure, three-way structure, five-way structure. So still it is doing the same what we expected here. One more low is also possible. Or this is the connecting wave. It looks like a five-way structure here, means it's look at this. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also three-way structure. Here also three-way structure. Here it's a five-way structure. So ABC is a A. What we have to do is, whether this is a ABC is a A, ABC is a B and C. So one more high and one more low is also possible. So whether this is going to happen, and it's already broken the previous low also, and it is not looking like a five-way structure here, and this is looking like a five-way structure here. So here we can observe this, we are in that correction part. This is a, it's going to end. We are still in the fourth wave. Here if 1, 2, so 3, so 4 is already dead or not, it's completed or not, that's the thing we need to ask here. So it's not looking like a triangle here, so maybe it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we, I'm not going to do like that. It's clearly seen it's a 1 2 3 4 5. Here it's looking like a five-way structure. So whether this is the end of the trend, it's very tough to identify that in that smaller time frame. But what we know, it's already broken the previous high. It's here. Once again, we can do it in the other chart. I will clear all those things next week and make it the charts clear, right? Sorry. Yeah. Here, right? So what I'm expecting in this zone, it's already broken the high also. It is not that completion of this. What I took it this as a A, this as a B, this as a C. So the intermediate wave, we can make it this as a WX and still be on the Y wave. So this is the one. It's a, we can make it this as a red color, A, B and C. So this is the connecting wave, and again I'm expecting one more high. This is the completion of the correction part. One impulsive wave, three-way structure, one correction and one impulsive wave to complete this as a correction part. Whether it is going to break the high or not, it's still valid. If it breaks the high, then we can consider this as a B and C. This is a, this is the connecting part, and this is the one A, this is the one B, and this is the one C. So this is the structure I'm expecting. If not A, B, C, right? This could be the D, A, B, C, and one more D, and one more E. So it will keep continuing in the triangle also. Here, sorry, yeah, here. A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. It is not yet broken the previous high. This, then this is the valid. If it broke, then we have to complete this A, and this is the B, and this is the C. Means this is the W, this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. What we called it as W. Here one more A, B, C is a W, and this is the X, this is the A, this is the B or C. Whatever we can make it as a W, X, Y. If this start A, B and C, there is a chances for making the downside. One correction, three-way structure is got completed. So, and I already explained this one. Look at this. One more high, one more low, and it's already dead. And where we are chances for a bullish triangle, I am in that back side. Look at this, it's already broken. So it seems like the intermediate wave, it's not yet completed. So one more this week we can expect one more low, and I am in the buy from here. I think in 360, 1.3650 or from here. So I'm not going to worry because I took it this as a positional trading. This is the one I'm expecting. Making this as a stop loss. Strictly stop here. I'm making this as a stop loss. 400 pips stop loss. Yeah, I'm looking for this one bigger thing. So A, B, C, D, and this beyond the E wave. So I'm expecting to reach this zone again. 1 point. Yeah, it's already there. We are. So another 100 pips. No worries on that. I'm still going to buy only one time again. If it reached here, as per here, so one more low, I'm going to be buy side. Another off position I can buy. So wait for this to complete. And if you look, sorry, if you look in that 4-hour chart, it seems like everything, it seems like here it's a 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5. So whether this is an impulsive wave, no idea. And it's look like here also the 5-way structures, it's a lot of times it is doing here, and here it looks like impulsive wave. So the structure is more important than the wave count. So let's move on to Australian dollar. I think we are going too slow and explaining a lot. And it is already broken this bearish trend line. Keep retesting. And I'm showing the same example in Euro USD in the weekly chart. So it seems like 1 2 3 4 5. Seems like if you look at in the 1-hour chart, it's looking like a triangle. So if A, B, C, D, E, and 1 2 3 4 and 5, but here it's looking like in that 15-minute chart, again the 3-way structure, it's doing like a 3-way structure. Here it's a 5-way structure. So still we are in that bullish, seems like. So either it can be do like this, possible. So then this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, sorry, once again, yeah, this is the A, B and C. So here, and either sorry, this is the ABC is a A, ABC is a B and C. So this is the W, this is the X wave, so this is the A, this is the B, and one more C wave, 1 2 3 4 5. It's possible. Otherwise, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4 and 5. It can come like this also. So New Zealand dollar, it's already, we are in that, one second, yeah. The same I explained, right? We are in that interesting zone to short, and I already did. The interesting zone is here, and where we are, it's above 70 pips. And I have explained here also the last week about this bar pattern. This bar pattern I explained here. This is the way I'm expecting here. So let's wait for this. I'm still stick to my own analysis. I'm looking for this. Let's wait for that. And I have explained this one. You just go through the previous week video, then you come to know, right? So one second, I had one more bar pattern also, and I forgot time. Okay, let's wait. And USD JPY, we already did. USD CAD, one second, we will check our watch list. So next is Euro New Zealand. One second, give a time. I need to show you one bar pattern. I have already did this. One second, we will check where I had it. USHF, USD no, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Sorry. Okay, let's wait for this. Oh my god, I need to show you one more thing that beautiful about this. I think I forgotten or I erased that one. Okay, let's move on to the New Zealand CAD. It's a beautiful trade, right? I expected this one last week also, and where we are. So now it seems still we on the downtrend. It looks like for me. So then what is mean by that? This is the end of the trend for me. And this is the one impulsive. This is the one again, one impulsive, and again I'm looking at this one. I'm expecting the bigger correction. So this is the one I'm expecting. Let's wait for that to do, right? So here is ABC is a A, ABC is a B, or this could be that here we can make it this one. So see, our view is entirely different from each and every person. So whether this is the one, right, or whatever what I did here, it's a very it's a valid one. We didn't know. Look at this. Previous, I said from here it's already did there equally exactly it is doing that same thing, and I bought here and it is not looking like an impulsive way, so I exited my position here itself, and what it is doing, boom, I bought here 7630 here at the almost here I bought because of that five-way structure. I'll show you that. Here it's a beautiful five-way structure, the end of the trend. And here also the five-way structure, here also that. What I did, I booked the profit here, and again I bought it here, again I booked the profit here. That's it. I didn't done anything. It's looking like an correction part, so I focused on that major pairs. I focused on the major pairs, and what it did, boom. So even though, and I have explained that, that is why I'm keep saying don't follow me without knowing any Elliott wave knowledge. Even though if it is, once again, New Zealand CAD, I have already explained here also. I think, yeah, here it's look like 1 2 3 4 5. So one more 1 2 3 4 5 I expected from here also, but what happened, it's keep shooting. So even though if I did this one, now I'm looking this as, if this is the one is impulsive wave, this is the correction part, this is the one impulsive wave, so this is the one is connecting part, one more downward. But whether it is going to do or not, so here we need to look for this, whether this is the one, it's A, this is the B, C, one impulsive wave, this is the connecting wave, one impulsive wave, so this is the connecting part, so one it's a, this is the B, and this is the C. So keep going deep in this analysis. So a lot of people saying analysis is a paralysis, but for me it's look very interesting. Only the C wave it shoot like this, not that A wave. That is why my doubt here, it's this could be the 1 2 3. Always C wave is a very fast moving, and it's keep shooting without any retracement, and it is doing the same. This all that what I observed in my 7 8 years experiences. So I think we are going apart from our watch list. So let's move on too quick to finish this side. Okay, Euro New Zealand. Same. This is the one I'm expecting. Simple. So this is the end of the trend, or this is the one we are doing that A, B, C, D, E is the expanded flat, and this is the one is X here, and A, B, C, and to break again the one more low. So if it is doing like this, here we need to buy. Once if it breaks this low, then you need to be in the buy side. So next we can move for US30. Still I'm looking for this one, and we already spoken about this correlated to that S&P 500. So here it looks like 1 2. So here I will show you that 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here is the end of the 5 is. So for this one, this is the 2, and this is the bigger one, this is the smaller 2. So here is the end of that 5-way structure. So 1 2 3, and this is the 4th wave. 5th wave is already completed, or 3-way structure and one more high, or again one more 3-way structure and one more high. So then this will become that diagonal part and one more low. So this part will be that expanded flat and one more low, 3-way structure like this. So next is Bitcoin. Same. If you do like this, it will keep I got stopped out here, right? So now it is again making the 3-way structure. So what, see, this one is looking like a diagonal pattern. So if you do from here for this impulsive wave, A, B, C, and this is A, this is the B and C. But if from here it need to come to the downside, but again there is a 3-way structure, and again it did the 5-way structure here. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So here is 1 2 3. So again what it will do, again one more 3-way structure, again it is going to do like this. So one is A, this is the B, this is the C in the expanded flat, and one more way 3-way structures coming to the downside to break this low. Later onwards, this is the impulsive, this is the correction, and this is the one impulsive way. So there is a lot of corrections to understand here. So let's ZL look at this one. What we analyzed exactly did the low, high, and coming to the downside. So while analyzing, the market is doing the same thing. But if we enter as a trade, it's a little bit there. It's going opposite to our analysis. That is the market. It's a psychology. If I entered in the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, it is going upwards. But I didn't enter in the ZL. What it is doing, as per our analysis, it's doing same. Look at this 3-way structure. Again 1 2 3. Again I said this is one more 3-way structure and one more down. It's doing the same thing. So doing analysis is very easy than trading, but trading is very difficult to enter in that right zone and making the money. So here it's as per the daily chart, it remains bearish. So A, B, C is already completed. We are on A and we are in the B. A is already completed. We are on the B wave. So if you here one thing, yeah, if you did it's a 3-way structure, and if you enter here, market will do again like this. So then ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C, and again it will do like this, keep going, because it is doing the B wave. So either this is the end of the trend, it could be. If we expected this thing, market will do like this, and it will complete the correction. A, B, and C. Boom. Simple. So this is the W, this is the X. Again, if you expected like this, market will do like this. So where we have to enter in the safer side, beyond the buy side or sell side, it's all the historical chart says that, and you have to analyze all those things. See, in the previous same, I'm because why I'm again and again I'm showing my analysis. It's already reached the target, and the market it is doing like this. Then what we have to do, you have to, once the target is got reached, you need to exit your position. Don't touch that same thing if it is even bullish. How in USD JPY, what I did, I bought at 103, that you know very well. My target is previous was 118.66, but I exited at 108.3 itself. And what it did market? 150. After that only we know whether, okay, this is the W, this is the X, or this is the A, this is the B, is the triangle, the C, it's already did. Even though if I correlated to the gold, if it reached to that this zone, gold has to reach to the 114.50, but it didn't done it. So still I'm looking for that in the gold. So in USD JPY, look at this. In the weekly, it's very bearish. So whether this is ABC, again this is could be the connecting part and ABC, and what we are expecting here to shoot from here, market will do like this. Then it will keep continue to come to this side. Then it's keep going means what is the use of our analysis? So trading the Elliott waves in 1, 2, 3 is the safer side. If we expecting for that fourth wave to complete and to trade the fifth wave, it may or may not. We didn't know whether this is the A or 1, this is the B or 2, this is the C or 3. So as per this 1, 2, 3 or ABC, if we make it this as a, that is why I did here A or B, W or X, A or B, right, or 1 or 2, the C or C is already completed. So we didn't know about this one is going to be WXY or ABC, or this could be the 1, 2, 3. But which is the safest time? We need to look for that and then we have to enter. So next we need to look at this again. Yeah, copper. What I expected. Once again, in the 4-hour chart, 1, 2, 3. So you need to find out whether this is the completion or not. This way, look at this. It's doing this. So making this as a stop loss took the trade. We didn't know whether it is going to be like this. If it breaks, exit your position. We didn't know whether it is going to shoot like this to below, or if you hold the position, what it will do? It will do like this. Then this is the one is connecting part, 1, 2, 3. So trading, we can't catch all that waves. You have to calculate your risk and what is your target. If it is 1:2, get exit. Don't hold the position till your target unless if you know very well. For example, the UJ, the same. For Euro USD, DXY, everything is reached the target. Exit. We didn't know whether it is going to further down or it is going to be bullish. So just keep on watching the market, and if it is you are too confident, then you have to take a risk. Without risk, we can't make the money in this market. Risk reward is 1:2 is very good. So if you are keep doubting, don't enter the trade. If you are confident, 100% confident, there is no 100% confidence. If you're having confidence more than the 80%, just take the trade. Even though if you have 100% confidence, if you fail also, no worries, because we know how to recover that from the market. So let's move on to, once again I will just see the natural gas. Look at this. Now it is doing like a correction part. So whether this is A, B, C, W, X, A, B and C, if we expected this market will do like this, and this will become the bigger correction and one more high. And if you expect, and if you are in that from here, if you are buying from here for expecting this, market will do like this, right? Because it's already correction is got completed. ABC is a A, ABC is a B, A, C. So this is the one, it's a W, X, A, B, C, Y, and it's already dead. And if you short it here, and again market will do from here also. So this is the X, this is the sorry, this is the Y, this is the X and Z. So if you look all the possibilities, you know how to trade and you know how to manage the positions. That's it. So I think we covered everything. So it's very interesting. Let's move on to the crude US oil. Look at this. That is what the possibilities what I drawn here. From here it can bounce, or from here it can come to like this. So we know very well whether market is going to down or up. Market has a two sides, bullish or bearish. But what you are doing, and just keep watching this. That's it. If I found anything interesting, the pattern, if I confirmed, if I got an interesting stop loss, and if I got a good risk reward, then I will enter the trade. And until I just keep watching this. I already said, right, this is, it's a very bore, this thing. Keep draining. Look at this impulsive. Again one more down, and again what I expected from here. From here what I expected, this one. Expecting this one, right? I bought here, bought, and I already exited the position that I already informed that, because it's looking like a triangle here. I exited my position at 88. I several times I informed that in the last week, because I'm not so sure. What happened? It's already broken this. Again it broken this. So this is tough to trade this thing. So if I found anything interesting, then only I will enter. Until there is no trade here. But it is in downtrend. But where we have to enter? That's the question. My target is 65 or below that. But wait for that. It's already we are trading on that 80. So do only the short-term trades, the intermediate trades, not for the positional. Here it is not for the positional. Until you keep it for the $60, you have to wait for a long time. The swap and commission will eat your account. So let's move on to that gold, silver, right? Silver. What I expected. What I expected. One more high. It's doing the same. Look at this in 1 hour chart. I drawn that channel 1, 2, 3, 4, whether it is completed, and one more high is also possible. Look at this. So A, B, C, D, E. If we market this as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, right? This is the one. So how we calculate this one? If we market this as a triangle, right? A, B, C, D, E. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what it is doing here? Didn't know, right? So whether previous, what I said, in gold I'm not getting that wave count. Here it looks like beautiful. So 1, 2, and it is looking like whether this is the end of the trend, right? After that, what it is doing here? It looks like a triangle and shoot it. So whether this is a triangle, so if it is a triangle, so whether this could be that, once again, here it's the A, this is the one, it's a B, and C means, so we need 5 structure. It's already completed here. Again, this is the W, this is the X, A, B, C. So that means A, B, C is a W, X, A, B, C is a Y. It is going to be a Y. Or if, see, this is the one, it's a beautiful 5 structure. A, B, C is A, B, C is a B, and C. So this is a one, it's a running flat. So that is why I kept this as an uh, A, B, C. Here, whether this is the A or W, this is the X or B, C or again Y, this is the X and one more Z. So anything is possible. But we know whether it is going to reach that 22.500, and it's already did. So how long it can go? Didn't know. Didn't know. And I already informed this, whether it is looking like for me it's the end and this is the one as an expanded flat it is doing, or I am not going to do this one, right? 1 A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I kept this as an 1. But here if we market this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here also it looks like, yeah, see, in the silver I did that bar pattern. Yeah, it is going to, I'm going to show this one. Yeah, that is why I already did the bar pattern here. So you forget about all the wave counts, right? So what we have to do, look at this. I'll just hide all the unhide. 1 second, we can move it from here. It's a very yeah, here I just delete all those things. Yeah, now, and this is the bar patterns. Take this, right? Here just you can X enlarge, and we can make it this one, right? We can make it this as a blue color. Here it did. So what we have to do, another bar pattern from here we already did. It's not yet completed, right? Just expand. See, this is the one, it's already did, right? And here it's did. Once again, it's already, 1 second, yeah, low is 21,429, low is 21,433. 433. So here it didn't done the previous low, it didn't break the previous low, but here it did the previous low. After that, look at this. This is the one, it's already did the same pattern here, and here it did, here also it did. What happened? Look at this. We didn't know how to see here. It's, we can't make it the wave count here, right? So here also did. So now it's already did this one. We need this one, and here it is doing. So this is the one, it's connecting part. Make it this as a red. This is the connecting part. Make it this as a red. This is the one down trend. Make it this as a blue. This as a again blue. Connecting part blue. If you took once again, if you delete this one, just keep this. Once again, I will yeah, this is the one positional, so I no need to delete all those things. I will delete this one. Sorry, here, yeah, this is also I will delete this one. So this is the one B dead from here, right? Just keep this. Look at this. So fractals. So whether it is going to be the same thing or market will do again, I need this one. That's it. I don't know whether it is going to do or not, but I am expecting this one. Gold. So I took it this as a A. So I thought from here, but what happened? And I already told that the invalidation is 118 or it's 1808. So whether it is not, it's already dead or not, it's not it. So still wait for that to break. So here also look at this. To invalidate my thing is 1965.55, 1959.33. It's not yet broken. So wait for that to invalidate all those analysis. And I don't have that much here. I took it this for that triangle. So if it is not yet broken, it's still valid. We can just move this one. Top flat, bottom declining. So this is still valid. And if it broke for the previous high, that is an expanded flat. So what we have to do then, A, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you look in that 1 hour chart, right, 1, 2, 3, so 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more high, 5 is already completed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you look into this 4-hour chart, this is the one A, this is the one B. C contains a 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. So whether from here it is going to do this or market will do again, it will catch all that stop losses, and again one more, this one, but I'm looking for short. I'm looking for short. So then this will become A, this will become B, and this will become C. So this will be the portion of the connecting part for the downtrend. So one more down is ahead. This is the my analysis. I'm not going to change. So hope you enjoyed, and I think it's too nearly above 1 hour. I think so. Yeah, 1 hour 5 minutes. So it will make too bore to a lot of peoples. So whoever knows the Elliott waves can watch all that 1 hour. Otherwise, it's waste of time to understand what I'm looking the market. So happy weekend to everybody. Thanks a lot, and we will see you in the next week. Have a nice, wonderful weekend to everybody. Bye.